Bird, bird. Bird, bird. Hi, guys. Bird, bird. Some pretty birds. Bird. Here, bird. Look at you, little alley girl. You see, bird? Look at him, little bird. Let's go, bird. Bird, bird, bird. Boyd, boyd, boyd. Bird, bird, bird. Bird, bird, bird. Yeah? Bird, bird, bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird, bird, bird. And some more? Oh, is that for good, or are you leaving? Bird. Yeah, it's a bird. Pretty bird. Bird, bird, bird. That's right. You look good, bird. Yeah. And some more? Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Let me see. Let me get your tail feathers. Get all that dust off ya. Yeah, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yeah. What are you doing, bird? Bird, bird, bird. You need that side sprayed, don't you? You need this side, don't you? I know, huh? There we go. Sorry, bird. Is it scaring you? You want some more? You're soaking wet. Look at you get back in the water. And then you. Bird, bird, bird. Let me get you there. Let me get there. Let's get the belly. I know. Okay, I'm done. What are you doing, bird? Yeah? Bird, bird, bird. Bird, bird, bird. What are you doing, bird? Huh? Pretty bird. Do you like the water being sprayed on you? This is the first time I've sprayed you. You're taking off, but then you're dropping back down in the other waters. You're getting a full bath. Look at you. Yeah. You got plenty of places to go. There's another perch on the other side, too. Look at you, bird. Aww. Bird, you're dirty, bird. Are you a bird, bird, bird? Okay, I'm done torturing you. Even though it's not torturing you, bird, bird, bird. Bird, bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird, bird, bird.